One question that usually pops up, especially while trying to migrate from on-prem SQL Server to cloud, for example Azure SQL Managed Instance, is how to import assemblies into Azure SQL Managed Instance, given that there is no option to reference actual files on the hard drive. So let's see how we can import a third-party DLL into Azure SQL Managed Instance. Whether you want to import your own proprietary, custom-made DLLs, or you want to import assemblies created outside of your organization, the process is pretty much the same. In this tutorial, we will rely on usage of sp-add trusted assembly stored procedure. What this stored procedure does is that it tells SQL Server, or in this case Azure SQL Managed Instance, that we have full trust into the DLL or assembly that we are about to import. Do keep in mind that this command requires sysadmin server role or control server permission. We are using this store procedure because of CLR strict security setting, which basically requires every assembly to be signed either with a certificate or an asymmetric key. However, it's a bit tricky to import certificates or asymmetric keys for third-party assemblies into Azure SQL Managed Instance. So with the store procedure sp-add trusted assembly, we are effectively short-circuiting the security setting. So be aware that even though this is a bit convenient, there is a reason why high privileges are required for sp-add trusted assembly. So let's finally see how it's done. First, you need to connect to your Azure SQL Managed Instance and run sp-configure CLR enabled in order to enable SQL CLR. Then, on your client machine, you would load the assembly through PowerShell and get file hash and put it into clipboard. Then you would again go into SSMS connected to Azure SQL Managed Instance to run sp-add trusted assembly with pasting the clipboard content into the hash variable. If it all goes well, you should receive the following success message. And finally, you would execute the following on your Azure SQL Managed Instance. With this, you effectively create assembly from the binary that you have just loaded. And again, you should be seeing a success message, and we're done. If you're interested in the topic, I suggest following the link and reading Mihailo's blog. I hope this was helpful.